What's up, Mirror Gang? What's poppin'? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you become part of the gang. I just woke up not too long ago and I am tired. I was out again once again last night. But we're about to get up, get ourselves the fuck together, and go outside again. Period. It's a Saturday, we outside. So, yo, I really love, like, look at my eyebrows. I love this lady. Like, I would come up here to my eyebrows. I'd be scared for people to touch my brows, like, but she did that. I need some music. Hold on. Alright, that took me a minute, but I need some music. I don't know about you, but I'll wet my toothbrush before I apply the toothpaste and after. Baby trying to keep me down. Never thought I'd make it out. Is what it is. California breeze. Cause she got a big mouth. Did a lot of shit just to live. I am making cinnamon rolls because I'm hungry. So before I start getting ready, I preheated the oven. And yeah, because I like that part. Alright, they in there. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So we are about to be out. I'm about to show y'all what I got on. Everybody else still finishing up. Hold on. Promethazine in my blood. Percocet. So we go into the beach. And this is the fit. Got these slides on. This is one of the purse. With some pictures. We're going for all black look now. And then this is my little beach bag that I'm bringing. But yeah, when we walk the boardwalk, I'm gonna be in the car. So I decided to change again because that top was just giving me trouble. Like, the strings on it, they kept falling down. Like, I don't know. So I just put this top on. Cute, clean fit for real. It's really the same fit, so it's just a different little top, but it's cute, and I feel better, more comfortable in this.
Lady, you want something in yours too? I think I'm missing one. The what? Where? Right there. Stop, bitch. Sorry, huh? That shit's gonna chase you. I want to go on your chase. Feel like that?
In a second, is she a real one? Protect it. Treated it to my jeweler.